I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter chocolate Crispies. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last week we celebrated Independence Day. In tonight's episode we're celebrating another birthday, my mom's. Her birthday was just a few days ago, and I thought I'd mark the occasion by making a treat from a recipe she sent me a while back. It's from a magazine that she was reading, and the actual name is Peanut Butter Crispy Rice Treats with Chocolate and Caramel Drizzle. I'm sure you can understand why I shortened the name a little bit. Imagine the best parts of a Rice Krispie treat, a Snickers bar, and a peanut butter cup all rolled into one. That's what we're making tonight, compadres. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter chocolate Crispies, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 15 caramels, 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of butter, 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, divided, 3/4 of a cup of light corn syrup, 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, 1/8 teaspoon of table salt, 5 cups of chocolate rice cereal, 3 ounces of dark chocolate, 1/4 cup of chopped peanuts, and 1/4 teaspoon of flaky sea salt. I also used a saucepan, an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, a large bowl, a zip-top bag, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. We'll start by making the caramel that we'll use later as a topping. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the sweetened condensed milk and butter. Stir it until the butter is melted. Then add the caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. Pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside. Line the 8x8 pan and set it aside. To a large mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, corn syrup, peanut butter, and table salt. Microwave it until the mixture is softened. Give it a good stir. Then add the cereal and mix until it's combined. About this point, I was thinking I should have used a larger bowl, but we manage. Transfer the mixture to the 8x8 pan and press it into an even layer. Place the chocolate and 4 tablespoons of melted butter into a medium bowl and microwave it until the chocolate is melted. Pour the chocolate over the cereal mixture and spread it evenly. Sprinkle the peanuts and flaky salt over the top. Put a couple of tablespoons of melted caramel topping into a bag, cut off the corner, and drizzle it over the cereal mixture. I got a little sloppy here because the caramel was still painfully hot. Please learn from my mistakes. Refrigerate it or leave it on the counter overnight until everything is set. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Well, this is just delightful. Crunchy and chewy, chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel. This just brings so many great textures and flavors together. I'm really impressed. This is so good and so easy to make. You really ought to try these. And thanks, Mom. I love you. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. 6 tablespoons, 1/8 tablespoon of table salt, Walt Disney? I don't know. Put a couple of tablespoons of a and drizzle it over the carrot.